Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Inglo Stories. And today we have taken a story from Tenali Raman and the Red Peacock. And this is a really important story for beginners. If you are a beginner and if you want to improve your communication, if you want to improve your English, then this video is for you. So I'm just talking about what we are going to learn from this story. First of all, we will see how to read English. And second one is how to speak English. Third one is how to understand English and many sentence structures. Along with that, we will see vocabulary. So let's start this video, and you can see the name of this story is Tenali Raman and the Red Peacock. Uh, Definitely I have to use Hindi sentences because you are a beginner. And if I try to translate it, you know about Tenali Rama and का मतलब होता है और the red peacock. Red peacock means लाल मोर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो peacock है वो क्या है, noun है, और जो red है वो आपका adjective है. So this is all about the story title. Let's start it. You can see there one day. One day का मतलब क्या होता है, एक दिन. Okay, the king means होता है राजा, and received. This is the strange one for you. You can see why it is colored in red. So I will explain it because this is the verb. यही verb जो आपको problem create करता है English बोलने में, English समझने में. That's the reason I covered it into a box so that you can see it directly. So received का मतलब होता है प्राप्त होना. ठीक है, received का मतलब होता है प्राप्त हुआ because this is in the past sentence. And strange news. Strange का मतलब होता है अजीबोगरीब. News का मतलब होता है समाचार, खबर. So एक दिन राजा को receive हुआ, and receive is transitive verb. Why? Because what received? If you ask the question to the verb what received, you will get an answer strange news. So this is subject, the king, and received is the verb, and the strange news is an object. Okay. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज अ मैन केम. केम का मतलब होता है आना, आया. कम का मतलब होता है आया, कम का मतलब आना, केम का मतलब आया. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो द मीनिंग along with the verb forms. So it's really important. A man came, एक आदमी आया. To the court. Court का मतलब होता है जो कोर्ट का परिसर होता है उसमें आया. And और said का मतलब होता है बोला. Say का मतलब होता है कहना. Say means, said means बोला. So it is important for you to learn the verb forms. Come, came, come. Say, said. Receive, received, received. So it's really important. Next sentence is your majesty. Your majesty means like it is for exclamation word. Like your majesty means Maharaj, you can say. Next sentence is I have seen. मैंने देखा है. I have seen. Have seen, have plus verb का third form. It means it shows the tense structure of present perfect. Okay, have plus verb का third form. So I have seen, मैं देख चुका हूँ, मैंने देखा है. A red peacock, एक लाल मोर देखा है. He said in the forest. In the forest means जंगल में. ठीक है. The king, जो राजा था, was, again it is the verb section, so I will cover it. So the king was surprised. जो king था वो surprised था. Surprised means आश्चर्यचकित. ठीक है. Next sentence is he said. Say means कहना. Say, said. ठीक है, ये आपका वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म है. He said, उसने बोला. What said? A red peacock. He said in like red peacock. That sounds impossible. Sounds means लगना, आवाज से लगना. ठीक है, साउंड का मतलब आवाज होता है, बट यहाँ पे ये लिंकिंग वर्ब का काम कर रहा है. That sounds, जो लगता है आवाज से, impossible. कह रहा है कि ये इम्पॉसिबल लग रहा है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, रेड कलर का मोर ही नहीं होता. सो दैट यहाँ पे आपका सब्जेक्ट है, साउंड्स आपका वर्ब है, इम्पॉसिबल आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. दैट साउंड्स इम्पॉसिबल. बट लेकिन द मैन सेड, लेकिन जो आदमी था वो बोलता गया, बोला. अगेन उसने बोला. ठीक है. व्हाट इज सेड? आई कैन शो. आई कैन शो, आप देख सकते हैं कैन प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म, ये आपका फिनाइल वर्ब है. ठीक है, कैन आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, और शो आपका मेन वर्ब है. शो, शोड होता है. ओके, सो आई कैन शो, मैं दिखा सकता हूँ, इट, इसको, टू यू. ही सेड आई कैन शो यू. ओके, बट आई वॉन्ट मीन्स चाहना. वांटेड होता है. ठीक है, सो आई वांट, मैं चाहता हूं, अ बैग ऑफ गोल्ड. बैग ऑफ गोल्ड मीन्स एक बैग सोना चाहता हूं. पहले मैं एक बैग सोना लूंगा, तब मैं चीज को बताऊंगा. एंड द किंग, जो राजा था, लुक एट मीन्स टू लुक समवन, किसी को देखना. तेनाली रमन, जो राजा थे वो तेनाली रमन को देखने लगे. लुक एट मतलब किसी चीज के ऊपर देखना. So you can cover it and you can remember the meaning of this. Look at means देखना. So the king looked at तेनालीरामन, वो तेनालीरामन को देखने लगे. He knew, know means जानना होता है, know का second form है knew, know, knew, known. Okay, so knew means जानते थे, he knew वो जानते थे, तेनाली को was wise, जो तेनाली था वो क्या था, चतुर था, बुद्धिमान था, वो जानते थे राजा. The next sentence is तेनाली whispered. Whisper means होता है फुसफुसाना, किसी के कान में या फिर खुद से ही बात करना, उसको बोलते हैं whisper. This is also a verb. Whisper, whispered, whispered. Got it? Next sentence is Your Majesty. Let me handle this. Let me handle this. ये है आपका एक different structure, English structure. Your Majesty means महाराज. Let me handle. यहाँ पे handle जो है आपका verb section है, ठीक है, इसीलिए इसको कलर किया गया है, and I will cover it in box. Let me handle this. मुझे इसको handle करने दीजिए. Tenali said, तेनाली ने बोला, say, said. Okay, so you can see there is a single word and that is in repeating mode. So whenever you listen a word again and again and again, it just sit in your mind and you can catch it up. Next is Tenali said to the man, तेनाली ने उस आदमी से बोला, I have, मैंने भी, also seen, देखा है, something, कुछ strange देखा है. This is the turn of Tenali Raman. He said, I have. If you try to find out the verb, this is I have seen. Again, this is the present perfect structure. Present perfect का structure है I have also seen. मैंने भी देखा है something strange. मैंने भी something कुछ अजीब देखा है. So I is subject, have or have seen is verb section, and something strange is object. The man asked, जो आदमी था उसने पूछा. Ask means पूछना. Asked होता है, ठीक है. The man asked, उस आदमी ने पूछा, What did you see? What did you see? तुमने क्या देखा है? This is a like it's an interrogative sentence structure. If you wanna ask something like it's a question sentence. How did you see? Yeah. What did you see? क्या तुमने देखा है? Tenali said. So if I try to find out the verb, this is the verb. For did, this is helping verb, and see, this is the main verb. Okay. So you don't have to confuse about it. Tenali said. Tenali ने बोला. Say means कहना. Said means बोला. I saw, मैंने देखा है. See means देखना. Saw means देखा. This is the past indefinite structure. See, saw, seen. I saw, मैंने देखा है. Saw is a transitive verb here. A horse, एक घोड़ा देखा है. With wings, उसके पंख है. Wings means होता है पंख. With wings means मैंने पंख के साथ एक घोड़ा देखा है. He saw. But I will show, लेकिन मैं दिखाऊंगा. I will show. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप. Will and show. This make the verb component. This is transitive verb. Here will is helping verb and show is main verb. Okay, so I will show, मैं दिखाऊंगा it इसको, to you, तुमको. After के बाद, you show, जब तुम दिखाओगे. Show means होता है दिखाना. Show, showed. So you show, after मेरे बाद जब तुम दिखाओगे, then मैं तुमको दिखाऊंगा. Us the red peacock, मैं सबको red peacock दिखाऊंगा. So he had put and condition. But I will show, मैं दिखाऊंगा it to you, तुमको. After you show the red peacock, अगर तुमने लाल peacock दिखाया, then I will show you. Next sentence is the man. The man is here the subject. Became means बनना. Became means बन गया. It doesn't mean all the time. The Hindi meaning is same for a single word, because here it is a linking verb. So it meaning is different here. He became nervous. Nervous means like वो nervous हो गया. ठीक है, हो जाना. So this man is subject, became is verb, and nervous is complement, subject complement. He understand. Understand means होता है समझना. Understand, understood. This is the verb form, and here it is past verb. So it's he understood. वो समझ गया that कि तेनाली did not believe him, कि तेनाली उसको believe नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे did क्या है आपका helping verb है. Did is the helping verb and believe is the main verb. Got it? So this is the verb section. Tenali did not believe him. Tenali उनको believe नहीं करेगा. He understood. He tried. Try means होता है कोशिश करना. Tried means कोशिश किया. उसने कोशिश किया. To run away. To run away means भागने की. He tried to run away. वो वहाँ से भागने की कोशिश किया. Because he understood everything. Tenali caught. Catch means होता है पकड़ना. Caught means पकड़ लिया. Catch, caught. So it's important to know about you. Tenali caught. Tenali ने पकड़ लिया him, उसको. And said, और उसने बोला. Tenali ने बोला. You cannot fool. You cannot. Cannot fool is the verb section. This is finite verb. And if I try to separate the verb sections, it's can is helping verb and fool is the main verb. So fool means होता है मूर्ख बनाना. So you cannot fool. तुम मूर्ख नहीं बना सकते. The king, राजा को, with lies. Lie means मतलब झूठ के साथ, lie means झूठ, lies, here lie is used as a noun because lie is also झूठ बोलना, but here it is a noun, so that's why it's plural form, lies, झूठों के साथ, मतलब बहुत सारे झूठ बोल के तुम राजा को मूर्ख नहीं बना सकते। तेनालीरामन सेड, द किंग लाफ, जो राजा थे वो हंसे, लाफ मीन्स हंसना, लाफ, लाफ्ड, लाफ्ड, दिस इज द वर्ब फॉर्म्स, सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो यू। द किंग लाफ्ड, राजा हंसे, एंड और सेड, से मीन्स अगेन कहना, सेड मीन्स बोला, राजा ने हंसा और बोला। थैंक यू तेनाली, तेनाली तुम्हारा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सो थैंक यू इज अ imperative sentence, like here subject is understood, but after the sentence you are see this is Tenali. So Tenali is apposition, in apposition form. You don't know about apposition, but simply thank you Tenali, he said thank you Tenali, you saved, save means होता है बचाना, save means बचा लिया, you saved us, तुमने हम सबको क्या कर लिया, बचा लिया, from a cheat, cheat means होता है धोखा होने से, cheat is also a verb, it means cheat करना, धोखा देना, but here it is a noun because you can see this is the determiner that is used before the noun, noun के पहले आपका determiner use हुआ है, it means यहाँ पे cheat की बात हो रही है, it means noun धोखा की बात हो रही है, so thank you Tenali, you saved us from a cheat. And after that there is a moral of this story that is very important, and this is the main part of this story. Smart thinking means बहुत स्मार्ट तरीके से सोचना। कैन एक्सपोज, कैन का मतलब होता है सकना, एक्सपोज का मतलब होता है आपका खुलासा कर सकता है, लाइज, झूठ होगा। सो स्मार्ट थिंकिंग, ज़्यादा स्मार्ट बनना, ज़्यादा तेज बनना, कैन एक्सपोज लाइज, वो झूठ का पर्दाफाश कर देता है। सो दिस वॉज द स्टोरी एंड that is a really simple story. I hope you enjoyed this story because this is completely for beginners. If you are intermediate level, at intermediate level, definitely don't like, you can go for the English newspaper, that is really important, where I teach some difficult articles, but this is for beginners and you can enjoy it and you can learn English with me slowly and consistently. So that's my promise. Let's see in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.